Friends, we are here Healthy Organic Farm. We having pomegranate plantation also for self use, some organic use. So you can see that that fruits is coming. As previously also fruitings came, but due to negligence we didn't care well. So some monkey and some peacock came and they cutted that. You can see now also this fruits you can see. Cutted this one. We having n number of fruits. So at the time of plantation we think that we will plant and it will grow well and we will eat, but after fruiting also you need to necessary that need to care that fruit as well. You need to put cover, you need to like consider like if any insects will attack, how we can manage. You can see the flowering. We didn't use any fertilizer in this, only vermicompost, vermibas and all be used for this plantation. If you required, you wish to do in home also the same way. If you have in garden, you can use your garden waste in a small pot. You can make on the top of the roof. You can put all garden waste in the pot. You can take some earthworm from us. You can take some vermicompost, raw vermicompost for us, unmatured vermicompost for us. You can put in that pot and keep earthworm, keep watering daily, normal watering. It will become the compost and you can use in your household, any plantation and all. It will be very satisfying for you. For that purpose I am telling. So you must do. If you are staying in Bengaluru, you are staying in flats, you are telling we don't have land, we don't have a space to do. In your balcony also you can keep two small green grow bag. There you keep all wastage of the kitchen wastage there, and keep vermicompost, unmatured vermicompost. I will give you 5 kg, 4 kg. You can keep in that. Then after it you keep earthworm, some earthworm. We will give that too, and it will like after some 1 or 2 months you will be very happy to see ki vermicompost made by own, and you can use in your own garden as well as plants and other things too. So the purpose of making this video to encourage all of you ki you can do it in your home also. We initially don't know anything to how to do, what to do, but by doing we learned and we understood ki it's very easy. If person can wish, they can do. So I wish that you can do. If any support you required, we are here to support you as well. So I wish ki you can share this video with your family, friends and your relatives ki like if they are doing gardening or they having plants. If they wish, we can share the details. We can give something. What we face difficulty, they should not face difficulty in the upcoming days, as well as whatever support. Like we having n number of organic product and household product. You can go through that and you can take that also. This is not for marketing. This is purpose to encourage other person also. It's very easy. I done till here last 2-3 years. You can do by our experience. You can use that one and you can be start from any point of time. So as for this one pomegranate danima, you can use in your backyard of the house, top of the house also. It will be in a small plant. You can get the fruits. You can see this is more 5 feet plant, I think 5 feet, but we having n number of fruitsing and flowers. So thank you for your support and care. Like, share, subscribe this video. It will make us motivate to do more, to make more videos on like that video. Or you wish to any other type of video, you can ask, we can make, because we having more than 36 variety of plants. We can make different video as well as vermicompost unit. So it will be helpful for you all. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.